Picture it.
Well, hello there, pals and confidants in Rhode Island. It's your old pal, the Dorothy from the Golden Gaze, and I wanted to let you know that we have a show at the Newport Blues on Thursday, April 11th at 7 p.m. Golden Girls Drag Troupe at the Newport Blues Cafe, featuring performances by Beatrix Eglantine Arthurson, Linda with a Y, I don't know, and Cortana Wednesday. And Court on a Wednesday. Court on a Wednesday. Court on a Wednesday. She's going to be playing the Rose. And in this program, a member of the audience will become our token Sophia. So we do hope to see you there on Thursday, April 11th at 7 p.m. at the Newport Blues Cafe. Presented by Sassy Lady Events or something. Sassy Hoodly-Doo Events. Sassy. Presented by Sassy Lady. Presented by Sassy Angel Events. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being a friend. Travel down the road and back again. Your heart is true. You're a pal and a confidant. We'll see you soon, Rhode Island. Sassy Hoodly-Doo Events.